Alright, what's up guys? So today I was wanting to talk about the best mod for your Mustang, and that goes for any year. And I would have to say it's 373 rear end gears. And I'll go into depth later in this video of why I think it's that. Now it's not the actual best thing that you can do. I don't think there is really anything. It kind of depends on your opinion and everything. But I think this is very high up there on what you could do to your car. So obviously here's my 2001 Mustang GT. I have 373s in there. The reason I didn't go 410 is mainly just because I didn't want to be sitting at higher RPMs if I drive on the highway or something. I know it's not that big of a difference, but I would rather have 373s. Plus, it's a better boost gear for these cars if I ever did go boost down the road. I am going to drive the car in this video, so to give a little rundown on what's actually done performance-wise, it's just a Ford Performance intake manifold, a JLT cold air intake, and then I have the rear end gears. I don't have anything done exhaust-wise, it's just Flowmaster mufflers at the moment. And now I can't really show you the gears, obviously, but I'll put a picture of the box of what it looks like, and then obviously under the car, which all you can really see is the diff cover, which I did put a new diff cover on there. Other than that, I'm gonna go and hop in the car, I'm gonna go get some gas, and then I'm gonna go get more into depth of why I think this is one of the best mods you can do. And let's go and get to it. So I'm now in the car, and I will say that I do have a lot more stuff done in the car, obviously, because I bought this thing whenever it was stock. And if you do want to check that out, I do have more stuff on my YouTube channel, just going more in depth of everything that's kind of done in this car. Surprisingly, it's not as much as you think. I will say this right here, this little wiggly stick thing, it's probably the most favorite thing that I've done so far, because obviously I have manual swap that. I didn't do it myself. I was trying to get it done before Mustang Week this prior year, so it's kind of on a time crunch. I'm headed to the gas station right now. I'm going to fill up, and then I'm going to go more in depth, kind of more of the reasons I think 373s are one of the best mods you can do. 373s or 410s, I mean, either or, they're both just as good. Alright, so did make it back home, and it kind of sucks because it's not really what I was wanting to film today. I was kind of hoping to get some better footage of me doing some pulls and everything, but I did go ahead and throw the stuff from the other day, so hopefully that was good enough. For those of you who's already seen that video, I know it kind of sucks that I did the same exact stuff, but I mean, sometimes that's just what's gonna happen, I guess. Make sure you subscribe, get me to 1,000 subscribers, I would greatly appreciate that. And give me some video ideas of what you guys want to see. Follow me on my Instagram right here on the screen to go see some of the reels I just took. I really hate that I can't really post photos anymore, which one, it's really just because it's too cold to even get outside and actually take photos, and just the lighting in the winter isn't as good as the summer. And obviously if anybody has a silver car, it's kind of harder to shoot sometimes at certain angles with the way the sunlight hits. Reels, they're the new thing, and that's kind of what I've been posting, which I mean, they're still cool and everything, but it's just not as cool as some pictures of like the interior and stuff. You just get a quick little video, I don't know. But follow me on there, and other than that, drop a comment down below if you like this video, and I guess I'll catch you guys next time.